In this video, we will continue drawing with railings, but this time we will focus on multi-story staircases. So, have a look at this example. First, I want to place windows also in the second and third floors. How can we do that? Actually, it's easy. I'm going to click on a window, then right-click and select all instances that are visible in the view. In this case, I could also select entire project. The result would be the same. Then I need to copy to the clipboard. Then click on the arrow below Paste and copy the objects aligned to select levels. So I choose the levels where I want the windows, level 2 and level 3. And it's done. You can see that this is a simple and a very useful method. Now let's learn how to build stairs in a way that they reach from the bottom up to the last floor. So the first thing is to make the stairs. And we are going to use the method that we have already been covering previously in this tutorial. Let's choose the location line at the left side, considering the exterior support. Click in this intersection for the start point and draw half of the stairs in this side. Then, follow the extension track line to place the second run and connect them with the floor above. To put it in the right position, I'm going to use the Move tool, select this run, press Enter, and then click in this point and move it to the intersection of the wall below. Click on the tick to confirm the stairs and exit the sketch mode. And as what usually happens when I draw a stair in a U-shape, the rail is not continuous. When you switch to a 3D view, you can see that there is a break here. This time I'm going to solve this by just moving the position of the railing, so double-click on it to edit it in the sketch mode, and move the section that's on the landing a bit to the right. I'm going to set a distance of 10 centimeters, for example. Let's save this, and as you can see, the warning is no longer appearing. And the gap is now replaced with a flat section of railing. Now, we want to copy the stairs to the floors above. And there is a special button to do this process. I just need to select the stairs, and make sure you click on the stairs themselves and not on the railing. Then go here to Select Levels and Warning. Let's see what it says. To create or modify multi-story stairs, you need a view where level lines are visible. So I can't do this on floor plans, because I cannot see the levels, but this is a 3D view. It should work, of course, if I haven't hidden the level lines before. Let's go to Show Hidden Objects. And here they are. Click on one of the levels and unhide the category. OK, now I can repeat the process. Select Levels. And make sure you have this option turned on, Connect Levels. And this is going to be easy. Click on level 3, then hold Ctrl and choose the level 4. Click on the tick, and now the stairs are connecting all the floors. So nice! Now we are going to focus again on the railing, and as you can see, the railing is not continuous along all the stairs. The method that I used is like copying the stairs to the clipboard and pasting them in the different levels. So we also need the railing here, in the section of the floor. OK, I'm going to switch to the level 1 floor plan and double-click on the railing to go to the sketch mode. Here you can see these arrows, and they indicate the way that I need to go from down to up. Then what I need is to add a railing section also here. This is easy. I'm going to use the line tool, then go to this endpoint and draw it towards the other side. I can confirm the changes. And look, that section was added to all the floors at the same time. But keep in mind that this is not perfect, as the railing is still not continuous on the turn to the next group of stairs. For now, we are going to leave it as it is. Although, it's possible to smooth this transition if you want it to appear that the railing also continues there. It just takes a bit of work. The final ending needs an extension here. But this time, I think the best is to add an extra railing in this side. I activate the command again, and I'm going to add it towards the point where I have the exterior wall. I can confirm the changes. And okay, it's not perfect. We can align this better. And the align tool will not work here. So in this case, it's better the move command. After a few tries, I decided it's best to take the railing out of the place, activate move, select railing, press enter, click on the midpoint, and place it exactly in the midpoint of the other railing. Finally, the other extremity can actually stay there. This position is not very important, as you can see the result. Or even, I could ignore the last segment, because it reaches the wall anyway, and it's fine.